Hey guys, welcome back to another amazing video. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can use Capcut templates on PC. So make sure to watch this video till the end and follow all the steps properly, and let's begin. First of all, open up any type of browser on your PC and search for Capcut. Then just simply log in with your account. If you don't have any account, then just create one so that you can continue along. And after logging in, you'll be brought to Capcut's online editor homepage. You can use its outstanding website to edit your videos in real time online. Select create new video/image, or you can use Capcut's template that are present in the template section. Simply click on template and you'll be able to access it. That's how you can use Capcut templates on PC. So that's all for today's video, guys. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.